listen, the more you'll know.
On the go. The snow is steady and it's long-lasting. We are expecting conditions on the roads to deteriorate as we move through late afternoon and evening. That snow will intensify.
The most accurate weather reports in the city, with traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the watts.
Trust the number one for breaking news, traffic, and weather.
680 News Radio Toronto. New report predicts grocery inflation will slip below 2% this spring. That's welcome news.
The report comes from Farm Credit Canada, an agricultural lending firm, and it says grocery inflation overall will fall below 2% by the spring and stay roughly between 1% and 2% for the rest of this year. It also expects food price increases beyond this year to stabilize around pre-pandemic levels as the pressures driving prices higher